study,
and play come together on a Windows 11 PC.
And for a limited time, college students get
The best of both worlds.
Get the Unreal College Deal. Everything you need to study and play with select Windows 11 PCs. Eligible students get a year of Microsoft 365 Premium and a year of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate with a custom color Xbox wireless controller. Learn more at windows.com/student offer. While supplies last. Ends June 30th. Terms at aka.ms/collegepc.
Welcome back to English Shadowing with Temmy. In today's episode, we'll explore the different uses of would in English and practice them with useful examples. These are natural expressions that native speakers use every day. Listen carefully, repeat out loud, and focus on rhythm, stress, and pronunciation. Let's improve your fluency together. Let's get started. Polite requests with would. I would like a cup of tea, please. I would like a cup of tea, please. She would like to join the meeting. She would like to join the meeting. We would like some more information about the course. We would like some more information about the course. I would like to speak with the manager. I would like to speak with the manager. He would like to order a pizza. He would like to order a pizza. They would like to visit the museum tomorrow. They would like to visit the museum tomorrow. I would like to thank you for your help. I would like to thank you for your help. She would like to book a table for two. She would like to book a table for two. We would like to hear your opinion on this matter. We would like to hear your opinion on this matter. I would like to try that new restaurant. I would like to try that new restaurant. Conditional sentences with would. If I had more time, I would travel around the world. If I had more time, I would travel around the world. If she studied harder, she would pass the exam. If she studied harder, she would pass the exam. If we lived closer, we would visit you more often. If we lived closer, we would visit you more often. If he knew the answer, he would tell us. If he knew the answer, he would tell us. If I won the lottery, I would travel the world. If I won the lottery, I would travel the world. If I were rich, I would buy a big house. If I were rich, I would buy a big house. If you called her, she would help you. If you called her, she would help you. If they offered more money, he would accept the job. If they offered more money, he would accept the job. If I knew his number, I would call him. If I knew his number, I would call him. If we had a car, we would drive to the beach. If we had a car, we would drive to the beach. Talking about past habits with wood. When I was a child, I would play outside every day. When I was a child, I would play outside every day.
Expedia and Visit Scotland invite you to come step into centuries of history that await in Scotland. Castles steeped in legend, walk along cobblestone streets. Come share the warmth of stories passed down through generations. This is a place with a past that is fully present today and all yours to explore. Plan your Scottish escape today at expedia.com/Visit Scotland.
My grandfather would tell us stories every evening. My grandfather would tell us stories every evening. We would visit our cousins every summer. We would visit our cousins every summer. She would read before going to bed. She would read before going to bed. They would go fishing every weekend. They would go fishing every weekend. I would help my mother in the kitchen. I would help my mother in the kitchen. He would wake up early to watch the sunrise. He would wake up early to watch the sunrise. We would celebrate every birthday together. We would celebrate every birthday together. She would visit the library after school. She would visit the library after school. I would ride my bike in the park every afternoon. I would ride my bike in the park every afternoon. Expressing possibility and guess with would. This would be a great opportunity for us. This would be a great opportunity for us. He would probably enjoy this movie. He would probably enjoy this movie. That would be the right solution. That would be the right solution. It would seem that they are busy. It would seem that they are busy. That would mean we have to start over. That would mean we have to start over. I guess it would take about an hour. I guess it would take about an hour. This finding would suggest a change in strategy. This finding would suggest a change in strategy. It would appear that they have forgotten the meeting. It would appear that they have forgotten the meeting. That would indicate a problem with the system. That would indicate a problem with the system. I would guess they're already on their way. I would guess they're already on their way. Watch this video every day for 1 week and see your progress. New video every Sunday. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.